How to register a business name in Virginia. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can register a business name in Virginia. The first thing you want to do is choose your LLC name. Pick a name that reflects your brand and follows Virginia's naming rules. It must include limited liability company or an approved abbreviation like LLC. Next thing you want to do is appoint a registered agent. Your LLC needs a registered agent with physical Virginia address who's available during business hours. This can be you, a trusted person, or commercial registered agent service. Next, submit Form LLC 101 online by mail or in person to Virginia SCC. The filing fee is $100. If you're foreign LLC, use Form LLC 52 to qualify to do business in Virginia. Next, you want to obtain your EIN. Go to IRS website and apply for a free employer identification number. You'll need your EIN to open a business bank account and hire employees. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.